kind of a moment of truce here. This is how flame resistant it isn't. Just as it comes from the factory direct, right? So we can see the flame. That's a little bit scary. So hopefully we never get direct flame. Now, I'm gonna take, ooh, that's cool. I just put it on the stuff we just treated. So I'm worried about this because we're so flammable here in Utah. I'll put it in my pocket. That seems safe. Hey, welcome Cozy Nesters. Today we're gonna make fire retardant for the burlap that we're gonna put up on our ceiling. The reason why we've done this is we watched a lot of videos. There's a couple professional products that we could buy, but it was going to be like $350. And, you know, we're really kind of up here in the middle of nowhere. So we took some stuff that we had, some borax, laundry detergent, laundry boost. And then there's boric acid. We didn't have that, I won't lie. But we found it on Facebook Marketplace. We needed about a gallon.
We got enough.
Let's hope. It soaked up a lot more than we thought. First thing you do is I make a gallon of liquid. I learned this the hard way. The first time we did it, you'll see the fill on our main video we did. So we're gonna do a gallon of water, 4 quarts of that, and 4 quarts was the fastest way to measure that. And then we've got, for a gallon, I need 1 1/8 cup of this. Now, Michelle would not ever like me to do this when I'm cooking food, but I figure if I have a little bit extra, I'm not that worried about it, right? So I just got the 1. Whoa, and I dipped it in there. That was brilliant. There's the 1 cup. And, oh, see, I spilled over the edge. That's why you never do this when you're baking real food. That's an 1/8. What's that face for, Michelle?
You're right, that's not how I would have measured.
It doesn't matter for what we're trying to do. And then I pop open my little box of boric acid, and there's my, how much was that? I can't remember. That was just over 1/2 cup. So that's all it is to it. It's gonna get it nice and hot. And the reason why I said we learned on this is because last time we didn't do this and the crystals won't dissolve until it's hot. So we have to get it nice and toasty to get it to dissolve. I'm gonna do 2 gallons. That'll give me about 4 pieces. I think I can do it. Yep, I'm gonna do 2 gallons of mixture, and that's gonna get me 4 pieces of 4 foot by 6 foot squares that we're putting up top, and we get to repeat this process 24 times. So we only have to do this process. So what's 4 divided by 24 then? 6 times. So there we go. Okay, have fun.
Should we do one on the edge instead of right in the middle?
Michelle doesn't trust what we just did. So we're gonna take this, and I've got the, just so everybody's on the same page, I've got a hose ready. Man, I hope that's still not on fire. Okay, I've got the hose right over here ready to go if this doesn't work. So I'm gonna light this lighter, put it on there. You can tell that it's melting a little bit, but it is not catching fire. This one's a loose string, let's see. Nope, had direct flame on it. This is actually doing a lot better than I thought it would. I mean, that's a lot of heat for a long time. As you can tell, I've got it even just flaked off. So, you know, as doubtful as I was an hour ago or 2, as a matter of fact, I haven't finished the project because I'm so nervous about it. But yeah, I can't even get this to light. And I'm leaving it on there longer than I did on the other one even. And the plan isn't direct heat on this ever, you know, but you never know how hot something's gonna get. Okay, well, it's fireproof. Remember, you got this.